So a lot of people want to know, what kind of cases does a personal injury attorney handle? For the most part, it's auto accident cases. And when we talk about auto accidents, we're talking about when you're mainly not at fault. Trip and fall accidents or slip and fall accidents, and those typically occur outside of the home. So you go to the shopping center and you're going grocery shopping and you slip in a puddle of something that you didn't see. That's a slip and fall. Trip and falls can be something where there is an elevation issue at a local business. For instance, if the sidewalk is broken or there's concrete coming up and you trip and fall over that, those are typical trip and fall cases. We also do negligent security cases, and those are cases where a business has a duty to maintain the property so that it's safe. So there are higher risk businesses such as gas stations, banks, anything where that could invite a criminal element. There's a higher duty of care. But even just your local grocery store also has a duty of care to keep people safe, make sure that the areas are well lit. If there's known crime in the area, then they have to do something for a security measure. So those are negligent security cases. Some personal injury attorneys handle workman's compensation cases, and workers' compensation cases are when you're hurt on the job, and it might be by the fault of your employer or it could be a fault of a third party, but because you're on the job, it's handled in the workman's compensation claims area. That is not an area of practice that we handle. One of the unique areas of practice our firm takes is gym injuries and personal trainer negligence cases. These are cases where, like we talk about in trip and falls or slip and falls, or even negligent security cases, people are injured at the gym because the gym is not maintained properly. Weights are strewn about the ground, causing a trip hazard. The machines are not set up with adequate space so that it creates a problem as people are walking by. We handle those types of cases. And then personal injury due to negligence by a trainer. Unfortunately, there are no state mandates of what a personal trainer has to have as far as certification. And so it's Wild West out there. So people can get a 4-hour certificate and call themselves a personal trainer, and they may not have enough intelligence to tie a shoe. So there are cases as a result of the personal trainer having someone perform something that they're not supposed to be able to do, or themselves not keeping you safe. Those personal trainer cases, and those are something that we do handle. So those are the typical areas of personal injury. Some attorneys also handle medical malpractice, and that's just negligence by a doctor or a medical provider in the course of care. That is not something that we do. It is a specialized area of law, and just a general personal injury attorney who wants to dabble in that might be getting in over their heads. Those cases require a lot of work, and we have a great referral source for people who our clients who have been injured by either their doctors or a medical business. We can help them get to the right people. So if you have any more questions about what kind of cases a personal injury attorney handles, or how a personal injury case works, I would suggest you download my book, What the Heck Is My Case Worth? It's available on our website, or you can click the link below.